structure of tyrosine. Yan yung question na ganito. At pH 3.0, what is the dominant structure of tyrosine? So, kumali yan sa may malapit na pKa sa tyrosine. So, meron siyang 2.2, meron siyang 9.1, meron siyang 10.07. So, malapit ay 2.2. So, pH equals pKa plus log of A minus yung 2.2 na ito, para sa COOH. So, that is COO minus 1 over COOH. So, what is the pH? pH is 3. So, pH is 3.0 equals, what is the pKa? 2.2 plus the log rating of minus COO minus and then COOH. So, therefore, the logarithm of COO minus over COOH is 3.0 minus 2.2 is 0.8. Kasi antilog ito. So the ratio of COO minus over COOH is equivalent to shift rho of 6.30. So, yung COH ay may 1 yun. Kaya ano siya, magiging 7.31. Divide nyo ng 7.31 divide nyo ng 7.31 okay? So, 6.31 divided by 7.31 times 1 is about 86.32%. And then 1 divided by 7.31 times 100 is 13.68%. So, ibig sabihin, what is the dominant form? Itong base form of COOH. So, susulat niyo yung at pH 3.0, the dominant structure of tyrosine, ay NH3 pa rin yun. Tapos C, hydrogen. Yung carboxylic acid daw ay nasa minus 4. And then CH2, C, tapos then C, and then so this is the dominant structures. At pH 3. So what is the percentage of this structure? The percentage is 86.35. So pagka nakuha nito, 5 points siya. Nakuha niya yung computation, 5 points siya. For a total of 10. So kailangan gawin niya yun sa ibang amino acids or sa ibang pHs. Ano ginagamit na equation? Henderson-Hasselbalch.